In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the menu color in WordPress easily. Whether you're new to WordPress or simply looking to give your site a fresh, personalized look, adjusting the menu color can significantly improve both style and usability. Let's dive right in. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. You can do this by typing in your site's URL followed by wp-admin and entering your credentials. Once you're in, this is your command center where changes to your site begin to take shape. Head over to the Appearance section on the left-hand column of your dashboard. When you hover over it, a drop-down menu will appear, and you'll want to click on Customize. This option brings up the WordPress Customizer, a tool that offers a real-time preview of your site while you make changes. After opening the Customizer, look for the Menus section. This part governs the arrangement and properties of your site's menu items. But for altering colors, our focus will be elsewhere in the Customizer. Instead, head over to the Additional CSS section. This is where you'll have the flexibility to make precise edits to the visual aspects of your website's appearance without changing the underlying code structure extensively. In the Additional CSS section, you can insert custom code snippets to tweak how your menu looks. Enter this code to change your menu color, site navigation, background color, your color code. Replace your color code with the HTML color code of your choice. If you're not sure which color you want, there are plenty of online resources and color pickers to help you find that perfect shade. Simply paste the code into the field and the customizer will give you a real-time preview. While experimenting with colors, see how each option harmonizes with your overall site design. Is there enough contrast? Does it complement your logo and other imagery? Keeping an eye on these details ensures a cohesive and visually appealing result. Once you've settled on a color and checked how it integrates with the rest of your site, it's time to make it official. Click the Publish button at the top of the customizer. This saves your changes and makes them live on your site. You'll notice that from here, revisiting your website presents the newly colored menu as part of your design. And there you have it, you've successfully changed the menu color in WordPress without having to dive deep into advanced coding or hiring a professional designer. Remember, small tweaks can make a big difference in how visitors perceive and interact with your website. Thank you for following along.